Hello. In this video, I present the premium options of SmartSearchWP. We will highlight the key features that make each add-on a must-have. Addon Woocommerce. This add-on turns SmartSearchWP into a true e-commerce advisor. The chatbot can directly use your product pages to answer customer questions. It is able to recommend products based on the criteria you define, highlight specific items, or even take stock levels and promotions into account. For any online store, this is a major asset that makes the chatbot a real sales assistant. Add-on custom post type and ACF. This add-on makes the chatbot compatible with your custom content. It takes into account your custom post types and the ACF fields you have added. This means that if you have specific sections such as testimonials, a portfolio, events, or a FAQ, the chatbot can directly use them to provide accurate answers. It's an essential feature for websites that go beyond a simple blog or standard pages. Addon PDF. The PDF add-on opens your chatbot to documents. You can make guides, manuals, or reports in PDF format available directly through the chatbot. No need to convert your documents into WordPress pages. The AI can look up information inside the file. For websites with a lot of documentation, this is a huge time saver and a better experience for users. Add-on prompt override. With this add-on, you take control over how the chatbot communicates. You can define the tone, the language, the response style, and give specific instructions to the AI. This allows you to align the chatbot with your brand identity and communication goals. It's what turns SmartSearchWP from a generic chatbot into a truly personalized assistant. Addon Usage Control. This add-on lets you control access to the chatbot. You can decide who can use it, on which pages, for which content types, and even on which devices. This helps you manage the costs associated with the OpenAI API and adapt the chatbot to your business scenarios. For any website that wants to stay in control of chatbot usage, this is an essential feature. Addon Personalization. The Personalisation add-on gives you full freedom over the chatbot's appearance and integration. Colors, fonts, sizes, on-screen position. Everything can be adjusted to perfectly match your brand guidelines. This ensures that the chatbot is not only useful, but also seamlessly integrated into the visual identity of your site. The premium add-ons of SmartSearchWP take the plugin from a simple chatbot to a complete and highly customizable solution. WooCommerce makes it a sales advisor. Custom post type and ACF unlock specific content. PDF integrates your documents. Prompt override customizes the tone. Usage control manages access, and personalization ensures the chatbot fits perfectly with your design. This is the guarantee of a powerful, flexible, and site-adapted chatbot.